Start. The learned trial court, considering the oral evidence led by the defendant, returned a finding that the presumption of truth to the revenue record, especially Jamabandi, stands rebutted as the witness of the defendant has deposed that the defendant is in possession on payment of one half Galla Batai. The defendant has examined Iqbal Ali DW2 and also examined Tulsi Ram DW5 in support of the defendant's plea that he is a tenant on payment of one half Galla Batai. Iqbal Ali DW2 claims himself to be in possession prior to induction of the defendant as tenant, whereas Tulsi Ram and Gosong are said to be the persons who were collecting rent for the plaintiffs. Such witnesses have deposed that they were paying rent on behalf of the defendant. On the basis of the evidence recorded, the learned trial court returned a finding that though plaintiffs have proved themselves to be the owners of the suit land, but the land measuring 30 bighas 2 biswas was found to be in possession of the defendant as a tenant, thus granted decree for prohibitory injunction except in respect of land found in possession of defendant as tenant. It may be noticed that the plaintiffs have claimed the defendant to be the manager of their estate, but there is concurrent finding that plaintiffs have failed to prove that the defendant was their manager. The defendant has admitted the ownership of the plaintiffs over the suit land but asserted himself to be the tenant. The onus of proof of issue number 3 was on the defendant. The ownership of the plaintiffs over the suit land not being in dispute, the onus of proof of relationship of landlord and tenant was rightly placed on the defendant. Therefore, the question required to be examined is as to whether the entries in revenue record such as Jamabandi and Khasra Girdwadi carrying presumption of truth stand rebutted by the oral testimony. The present is a case where no relationship of landlord and tenant is mentioned in the revenue record, though required in terms of Section 32(2)(a) of 1954 Act. In the absence of entry in the revenue record, which is also expected to contain the entry of rent and possession, the tenancy cannot be treated to be in existence only on the basis of oral evidence of the witnesses examined by the defendant. The burden of proving the relationship was on the defendant. Such burden cannot be said to be rebutted only by oral evidence. The witnesses may lie, but the documents do not is a golden rule. The presumption of truth attached to the revenue record can be rebutted only on the basis of evidence of impeccable integrity and reliability. The oral evidence can always be adduced contrary to the revenue record, but such oral testimony will not be sufficient to hold that the statutory presumption stands rebutted. So thanks guys, please like, subscribe our channel.